Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on macOS. Change keyboard language, go to System Preferences, then Keyboard, Input Sources, and now you can see that I have one language, British, and that's gonna be English British, and you can add another language or the same language but different layout. For example, for English I can add Dvorak layout, then let's add also a different language like Irish. Let's add this layout, add, and now to switch between this layouts, click here, and you can select the layout you want to use at the moment. And if you want to remove one of these layouts, click on it, then click on a minus. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.